So thank you so much for doing this interview with us, Syokimaufm.Africa and the Syokimau Trade Conference Expo. So maybe you can tell the people how the conference, the Trade Expo and Conference has been so far.
Well, I think because you've done it many times, but this is our first time that we attended this year.
Yes.
Although it was late notice, but we managed to get a spot. For sure, the first day was slow, but from Friday, Saturday there was traffic, then Sunday. So yeah, I'm so sure we've got good leads, and we hope to, and we spread the gospel on sewage recycling.
So how has, and maybe you can tell the people about yourself and the company you represent.
Okay, I'm Cynthia Wamboi. I work for Ecocycle. We do wastewater recycling. I'm a projects and technical sales engineer. Myself, I've done mechanical. So yes, we are mechanical stroke electrical engineers. Yes, when I'm talking about wastewater, we recycle all the wastewater in your house, from the kitchen, from the sinks, from toilets, from washroom, all the water, all the wastewater in your house. It is recycled back to clean, odorless, reusable water that you can reuse for watering your lawns. If you have a kitchen garden, you can do open space cleaning, like washing cabros if it's an apartment. And we have done, we've been in the market for 10 years with over 260 installations in and outside of Kenya. And in Syokimau alone, we have done for St. Veronica, we have done for Notre Dame School, we have done 30 other residential installations. Yes, so we are so happy to be contributing to the sustainability. And with the recycled water, at least you'll promote green spaces in Syokimau.
So what separates you from, let's say, your competition, and why do you think people choose Ecocycle every time?
Well, I'd say it's the value that we bring to the people. Our response time is within 24 hours, and also the system that we're giving, it is eco-friendly. It's a system that does not take much to run. Like for a residential, if it is running on electricity, it is rated 80 watts. You need chlorine, so the running cost is not that much. Yes.
So do you think that you'll come back for the Trade Expo next year?
Yes, we will, because we are so sure we have not hit the whole area.
Maybe you'll come bigger and better.
Yes. Yes.
So, so thank you so much for your time, and hopefully we'll see you again next year, and you will enjoy the rest of your expo experience.
Okay, thank you so much.
All right.
Yeah.